Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into something that's perfect for Halloween enthusiasts and anyone looking to add a touch of personality to their space: the best ghost band stickers. These unique, die-cut vinyl decals are not only stylish but also incredibly versatile, making them a must-have for your collection. Let's start by talking about what makes these ghost band stickers stand out. Measuring at 6 inches wide, they're designed with high-quality vinyl, ensuring durability and a sharp, clean appearance. These stickers are available in various colors, but the default option is a sleek black, perfect for almost any surface. You can customize your order by choosing different colors. Just send an email after you place your order, and the seller will accommodate your request. The application process for these decals is straightforward. They adhere well to smooth surfaces, which means you can use them on cars, laptops, walls, mirrors, and even appliances. Whether you're looking to decorate your vehicle or give your home a festive vibe for the spooky season, these stickers will certainly do the trick. Their lifespan is impressive too. If applied externally, they can last between 3 to 6 years, and even longer indoors. What's really exciting is the range of applications for these decals. Imagine decorating your car with these ghostly designs, making it a fun and whimsical ride. You could also use them on your laptop or tablet, turning your tech into a canvas of creativity. And let's not forget about home decor. These stickers can breathe new life into your walls or even your bathroom mirror, adding a touch of personality that reflects your style. One of the standout features of these decals is their irregular shape, which adds a unique flair to whatever surface you choose to apply them on. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about making a statement. Each sticker carries an element of fun, perfect for Halloween but also suitable for year-round use if you love the ghostly theme. In terms of price, you can snag these ghost band stickers for around $4.19, which is a fantastic deal considering their quality and versatility. It's an affordable way to enhance your space or make a thoughtful gift for friends and family who appreciate a bit of quirky decor. Now, let's touch on the brand behind these stickers: FAVFOUR. They've earned a solid reputation for providing quality vinyl products, and their ghost band stickers are no exception. Their commitment to customer satisfaction is reflected in their flexibility regarding custom color requests, ensuring you get exactly what you want. In conclusion, the best ghost band stickers are a delightful addition to any collection, offering both quality and versatility at an affordable price. Whether you're decorating for Halloween or just want to add a bit of character to your belongings, these decals are an excellent choice. Don't forget to customize your order for a personal touch. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews of the coolest products out there. Until next time, happy decorating!